What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jay back with another video. A lot of you have been DMing me asking me about my makeup routine, doing a tutorial, but you guys, I am not a makeup artist, but I am going to share with you my routine that I do every single day before I go to work. So this is like a little mini get ready with me. So keep in mind that I'm not a makeup artist and this is not a tutorial. So let's get right into it. Now I'm just going to clean my face with some sea breeze. This is going to remove any dirt, oil, or toxins that I may have on my face. Now I'm just going to apply my primer. I use a matte primer because I tend to get very oily, and this controls the oil throughout the day. Now it's time for the eyebrows. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and fill and shape my eyebrows. This is my Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to conceal and clean up my eyebrows. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. This is my favorite palette by Julia. It is a bit dirty and I apologize, I just use it every day. Now I'm going to take my mascara and just apply it to my lashes. This is just a mascara that I got from the local beauty store. Nothing fancy. It gets the job done. Now I'm going to take my eyelash glue and apply it to the base of my eyelid where my lashes start. I've been doing this for about a year now and it has not irritated my eyes any. If anything, it helps my eyelashes stay on longer and stay in place better. Now I'm going to take my No More Blemish foundation that I got from my local beauty supply store and just apply it. I buy it a shade or two lighter than my skin tone. It actually blends really well with my regular foundation and it covers up those blemishes and those dark spots that I have. This is the foundation that I use. I use Fit Me by Maybelline in number 355. This is a matte foundation. I tend to get oily, so I use matte. This is my liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna take it and apply it right above my lashes. It kind of helps smooth out the lash band, especially if you have on those thick band lashes. This is what I have so far after I've applied the liquid eyeliner. Now this is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Rose Gold Highlighter. I am in love with this. I use it almost every day. Now I'm just gonna take my Photo Finish matte setting spray and just set my face This stuff is amazing. It helps my makeup to stay in place all day long. Now I'm just going to take a brown pencil that I have and just line my lips. And then I'm just going to apply my favorite gloss. Alright, so now we're done with the makeup. Now it's time to move on over to the hair. I have installed a 24, a 22, and a 20 inch, and I'm just going to comb it out. Oh, look who decided to come and say hey. She didn't want nothing, y'all. She just was being nosy, trying to see what I was doing. Now after I've sprayed my hair with the heat protectant, I'm just gonna add in some loose curls, nothing too fancy. Just keep in mind that I am going to work. This is not a dramatic look. I know one thing, my arms are tired, but are you all ready for the final look? Here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you would like for me to attempt any dramatic looks, and I'll do the best I can for you. Until next time, KJ Crew, we'll holla.